In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Wix and Wix Studio. We'll start right inside the Wix editor so you can follow along. Once your site is open, look to the left toolbar and click the big plus icon to open the Add panel. From there, choose Contact and Forms. This is where all of Wix's ready-made form templates live, so you don't have to build from scratch unless you want to. You'll see options to create new form or add existing form. If you already built a form before and want to reuse it, pick Add Existing Form. Otherwise, select Create New Form to browse templates. You'll find categories like Contact, Order, Inquiry, Scheduling, Registration, Application, Request, Waiver, Subscribe, Catering, Donation, and Feedback. These categories group fields and layouts for common use cases, so pick the one that best matches your goal. You'll also notice related add-ons such as maps and full-width maps for location sections, and even a Wix chat button if you want live messaging on the page. Choose a contact form layout you like and click it to add it to your page. Once it's on the canvas, drag it to where you want it and use the corner handles to resize so it fits your design. Click the form to select it, then choose Edit Form to start customizing. In the editor, use the general settings to rename the form, add or remove fields, set which ones are required, and tailor labels and placeholders. Open choices to manage drop-downs, checkboxes, or radio buttons. Use dates to add date pickers for bookings or events. If you offer bookings, connect fields under Appointments and Services so the form aligns with your schedule. For paid requests, turn on payments to accept fees or deposits directly through the form. Update buttons to rewrite the submit text, adjust states, and confirm messages. Finally, use layout elements to adjust spacing, dividers, and columns so everything looks clean and accessible. When you're happy with the structure, click Preview to test the flow end to end. Submit a quick test to verify everything behaves as expected. Then go to Settings to control what happens after submission. Set a thank you message or redirect. Choose who gets email notifications, and enable autoresponders if needed. Open Submissions to see where your entries are stored. You can review, filter, or export them later. Don't forget to save your progress. When you're ready for the world to see it, click Publish, and then select Done. Your new form is live, connected, and ready to capture leads, requests, or registrations right inside your Wix or Wix Studio site.